Hello everyone. Today I'll explain the differences between rental and fixed install LED screens. Both perform well but are designed for separate use. Today let me break it down for you. Rental LEDs are made for touring, events, and temporary use. Think of concerts, festivals, and sports events. These screens move from place to place. So, what makes a rental LED special? 1. Lightweight and strong. Rental cabinets use die-cast aluminum. They are light but very durable. 2. Faster locking system. You can install and remove the screen in minutes. No tools needed. This saves a lot of time on site. 3. Protection for transport. Rental LEDs are built to survive bumpy roads. They often come with flight cases for safe shipping. 4. Easy maintenance. Most rental screens have front or rear access. You can fix a problem without taking the whole screen down. In short, rental LEDs are mobile, tough, and quick. Fixed installation or fixed LED is for permanent or semi-permanent use. You see this in shopping malls, airports, control rooms, stadium scoreboards, and hotel lobbies. What are the key features? 1. Better heat dissipation because they run all day, every day. Fixed LEDs have good cooling system. This makes them last longer. 2. Lower long-term power cost. Fixed LEDs are designed to run for many hours every day. They use energy-efficient components, which helps reduce your electricity bill over time. So, which one do you need? Ask yourself 2 questions. Will you move the screen often? If yes, choose rental LED. If no, choose fixed LED. Do you need fast setup and take down? If yes, choose rental LED. If no, fixed LED suits for you. That's it for today. If you are still not sure, just send us a message. We will help you choose the best solution for your projects. Thanks for watching.